Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Unit 7, The Television Chocolate Room, Part 3. The television screen flickered and lit up. Then suddenly, a small bar of chocolate appeared in the middle of the screen. "Take it," shouted Mr. Wonka, growing more and more excited. "How can you take it?" asked Mike TV, laughing. "It's just a picture on a television screen." "Charlie Bucket," cried Mr. Wonka, "grab it." Now, here in this whole paragraph, it's being said that the chocolate bar which was processing on the television, it started appearing on the television as a small chocolate bar. Mr. Wonka uh, shouted loudly, "Grab it." But Mike TV started laughing and said, "How can I grab it when it's just a picture on a television screen?" "Charlie Bucket, grab it," cried Mr. Wonka, "grab it." See the picture? How he is holding the chocolate which has appeared from the television screen. Charlie put out his hand and touched the screen, and suddenly, miraculously, the bar of the chocolate came away in his fingers. He was so surprised he nearly dropped it. Now, in this stanza, it's being said that after after um, after Mr. Wonka said to grab that chocolate bar, Charlie touched the screen and felt a very magical moment, and at, at that time the chocolate bar came with his fingers, means it came in his hand. Charlie was so surprised. Charlie was so surprised that he was nearly about to drop that chocolate. "Eat it," shouted Mr. Wonka. "It'll be delicious." "It's the same bar, only smaller, that's all." "It's absolutely fantastic," gasped Grandpa Joe. It's a miracle." Now, in that stanza, we read that when Charlie took that chocolate bar in his hand, Mr. Wonka asked him to eat it, and he said that this chocolate bar tastes delicious. It's just the same one, but it is smaller in size. Now, Grandpa Joe was so surprised, and Grandpa Joe said that it was a very fantastic and a wonderful thing that through TV the chocolate bar was being sent from one place to another. He was amazed to see that. "Just imagine," cried Mr. Wonka, "when I started using this, you will be sitting at home watching television, and suddenly a commercial will flash on the screen. 'Eat Wonka's chocolate. They are the best in the world. Try one for yourself now.' And you simply reach out and take one. How about that, eh?" "Terrific," cried Grandpa Joe. "It will change the world." Now, in this stanza, Mr. Wonka, after listening to Grandpa Joe's Grandpa Joe's views, Mr. Wonka said that imagine how you will all feel when you will be sitting at your places and watching television, and suddenly a commercial means an advertisement of some product comes. An advertisement of Mr. Wonka's chocolate comes on the television and says and flashes on the screen and says, "Eat Wonka's chocolates. They are the best in the world. Try one for yourself right now." And you simply reach out your hand and take one from the screen. It would be a miracle at the time. How you all will feel if such thing happens. Grandpa Joe says that it would be terrific. It will change the world. This invention will change the world. Now, I hope you all have understood this very nice story. It's a very interesting one. And that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.